So here is our program update. As you can see on the top left-hand corner of the screen here, you have our job. Right now we do not have a job loaded, so right now it is blank. So we're gonna go hit setup and then hit job number. And as you can see, there's desired job and current job. So what we need to do is pull up our first one, which we put it as 21 exclamation point. And then we would press enter, and then you want to hit load job over here, and you can see here's our parameters, 25 and then 1. Go back to the setup screen, and if we go over to label, you can see that our parameters changed according to that certain job. And if we hit setup and go back to the main screen, you can see our first job is 21 exclamation point, so it's now populating since we loaded the job on that portion of the screen. And next we're going to go to setup, and this is where you will actually change the parameters, create jobs, delete jobs, and set them as you please. So there is a password screen, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the box. I'm going to go to job number setup. Right now, this is the desired job that we put in 21 exclamation point. And if we want to go to our a different job, which is we're going to delete this and do 22 exclamation point, and go ahead and press enter. And I'm going to do that. Press load job, and as you can see, our label inches and gap inches are different since this is a different job, and now it's our current job as well. And this is where you can actually go in and change your parameters if something changes on a certain job that you want to change. And again, this is password protected, where only individuals with the password can get to the screen to do that. And for your stored jobs, you can click on that. Nothing can really be done on the screen but just viewing what jobs you have. So we have 3 jobs set up: 21 pound, 22 pound, 23 pound. And to add a new job, what we can do is press, take out the 22 exclamation point and do 24 exclamation point, which is going to be a new job. And we're going to hit enter. And then what we need to do is press load job and also save. So as an example, I'll put 6 in here. Oh. Oops. 66. And then we'll put our gap at 2. It's just an example. And as you do that, go ahead and hit save job. And once you hit save job, we can go back to stored jobs, and you can see a new job is created, our 4th job. And let's say we want to delete job 3, which is 23 exclamation point. We go back up to desired job, delete this, put 23 exclamation point, hit enter, hit load job, and then we're going to go ahead and delete that job. And as you can see, everything is off the screen. We go back to store jobs, job 3 is open. And the last thing is we'll create one more job. We'll do 25 exclamation point, press enter, and then we'll press load job, and then whatever parameters, we'll put 3, 3. And if you go to store jobs, it'll populate. You got to go ahead and make sure you hit save job, and then you go to store job. So once you see store job, you can see that 25 exclamation point populated at job 3, which was a blank space before it'll go to job number 5. So this is the programming upgrade for certain jobs. And again, there is a password protected screen. And if we go back to our label screen, you can see that it populates the current job we are on. Thank you.